Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your processors of Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to search bar and type device manager. As you can see in the top here, click on it, open it. Now maximize your window. Now in the left panel, you can see the different type of drivers components. So you can update from here directly. So search for processors. As you can see here, processors, double click on it. Now you can see here my processor name, which is 11th generation Intel Core. So first of all, I have to right click on it. As you can see, right click on it, you can see the four options here. You have to click on update driver. Now you will see the two options here: browse my computer for drivers as well as search automatically for drivers. As you can see here, now click on search automatically for drivers. Now you can see here my driver is up to date, and you have to check for again for the second one. Click on update driver. Now you have to again click on search automatically for drivers. Now my processors is up to date. Now close this window, again close this window, again go to search bar and type settings. Now you have to open settings of your Windows 11. Now the last option you can see Windows Update. Click on here. Now click on download and install all. As you can see, I have a pending security intelligence update from a Microsoft Defender antivirus. It is checking for the latest updates of my drivers. It will take a few seconds to download and install in my Windows 11 PC laptop. So that is guys. Now you know how to check your processors update drivers on your Windows 11. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. As you can see, my laptop is up to date. Check in your laptop if it's not up to date. Download install now the latest drivers. Thanks for watching.